Welcome back. Question 14 is about number of sigma and pi bond. Very easy to remember. If it is a single bond, it is a sigma bond. If it is a double bond, then it will be 1 sigma, 1 pi, okay? And if it is a triple bond, then it will be 1 sigma and 2 pi bond. Very easy to remember the rules, okay? So just draw the structure out. CH3 is like this, okay? And then CH2 and then CN. So you saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single bond, so 7 sigma bond. And then 1 triple bond, so 1 sigma and 2 pi bond. So add together is 8 sigma and 2 pi bond. So what is the answer? Yes, you got it. The answer is C. Well done. So see you for next question. Bye.